Alright guys, doing a quick live. So let me show you, let me teach you how to do sale on marketplace. You can sell anything from items to homes to technical stuff. So here I have the listing. So this is the product, it's an iPad. Okay, for example, so on the left side you will set up everything, the name, the brand. You will add all the details about the product. This is the listing that I prepared. So you will add the listing. This listing is the most important aspect, and then you will add the product tags and the location and the pickup point preference, and that's about it. And you can just go on. So I'm clicking now. Everything is ready. As you can see, everything is ready. Alhamdulillah. Bismillah. Now I'm going to choose the groups where I want to show this ad, this ad on marketplace, what all places I want to show. So you have to choose the groups carefully, relevant groups, you have to add relevant groups. So like Abu Dhabi X-Packs, this can be one, and what else? We actually need to add more groups. This is Ghurfa. This is actually for rooms, it's not exactly for technical stuff. All the groups are there for rooms. That's not relevant. Arjan community is very strong, very small. But okay, let's just choose it for now. Bismillah, let's just publish and we can share in the groups later on. You can do this later on, although it's better that you do it whilst adding to the group. So there goes my listing. That's my listing. Okay, that's how you can do it. For more tutorials like this, go to ecompro.ui.